doing everything to help the Allies. What piece of legislation? Go ahead, Cornel. Lend-Lease. Because with Lend-Lease, which is passed by Congress in 41, America is basically giving, right, military products to England and later the Soviet Union. Remember, Lend-Lease starts out to help England, but eventually in July of 41, when Hitler attacks the Soviet Union, is extended to the Soviet Union so they can fight Hitler in the East. Now, in the meantime, Lend-Lease inevitably is going to result in a conflict between the United States and Germany. But that conflict, the actual entrance into World War II, doesn't start with that. It starts with a conflict between the United States and Japan. And like we said before, we said this yesterday, our conflict with Japan was ultimately over trade. The United States embargoed, products to the Japanese that they needed to get somewhere else. And when they went out to get them somewhere else, they realized that this would inevitably result in war with the United States, so they struck first at Pearl Harbor. Now, after they struck at Pearl Harbor, and we said this today, I think in maybe 6th and 7th period, poor 3rd period. I don't know if we said it in 3rd period or not, but in 6th or 7th period, we said that the big battle, naval battle, that turns the tide in the Pacific was what? We said this, I just said this a few minutes ago, yes.
The Battle of Midway.
Battle of Midway. Did I say that, Melissa, in 3rd period? Oh, I did. How lucky you are in the 3rd period. I mean, you're very fortunate in the 3rd period. Now, the Battle of Midway turns the tide in the Asiatic War, and then it goes to island hopping and eventually the proposed invasion of Japan. But this is going to proceed slowly, because remember, the United States decided to focus on Germany first. And eventually, the focus of Germany first is going to be on a cross-channel invasion, right? That we